Welcome back guys, this is Ashwin here. In this video we are going to see how to do text summarization using transformer model in Python. So we are going to do abstractive text summarization, so that is completely different from extractive text summarization. In extractive we have to pick the important sentence from the whole paragraph and sort it out. So that's how it is done. Now in abstractive it tries to convey the information in a abstract way, like how the humans do. So this is like a useful transformer model. So this is a very useful model if you want to summarize some news or any document if you want. So let's dive into the project. So first we have to install a few modules. So install modules. So we have to install transformers and PyTorch. So pip install transformers and pip install torch. So this will install the latest version of transformers and torch. You can also install some specific versions if the modules have some dependency. So now I will just comment this one out. After that, let's import the modules. Import modules. Now for here I'm going to import torch, and after that from transformers import T5 tokenizer. It's not suggesting anything. Tokenizer and T5. Okay, it will be easy if I import it. Okay, I think we have to install it. I'll just run the installation. So it will install the necessary dependencies also. And after that we will comment this one out. Now I think it will suggest all the things. So T5 for condition generation and T5 config. So these are the important modules we need. So the import modules have been completed. Let's initialize the model. So I'm going to use a pre-trained model. Initialize the pre-trained model. So model equals T5 for conditional generation dot from pre-trained. Specify the model name. So T5 small. So it also have other variants like T5 base, T5 large, and if you want a bigger module means you can see what are the types of transformer modules that are available and just mention the name here. So this will download the pre-trained module, that is the model weights, and after that tokenizer equals T5 tokenizer dot from pre-trained, again T5 small, and device equals torch dot device CPU. So I didn't enable the GPU for this collab, so I'm just gonna go with the CPU as we are going to summarize only a small article. So run this. So this will download the model. So as you can able to see, the model size is like 231 MB, and it's raising some error. So it is showing some error in the tokenizer. I will try to import a specific version of transformer and PyTorch that will work. think some dependency errors are there. 2.8.0 and torch will be 1.4.0. Okay, the new modules have been installed. I think the PyTorch in Google Colab has like older version. Currently we are going for a new version. Just restart the runtime and this will restart it, and we will import the modules again and we'll run this. So again it's downloading the pre-trained model. As you can see, I try to use the latest transformers and torch, but if it has already existed means it's not going to update it. It will just satisfy the requirements. So this is some of the issues you will face while installation. Just try to go for some specific version with the dependency by creating some kind of environment if you are using a local machine. Now as you can able to see, the downloading pre-trained weights are completed. Now let's go for the next step. So next we need some input text. That means kind of article or a bigger news. So input text equals so I can place the text here. Now let's go to the page. So this is the page I am in, that is what is artificial intelligence. So here I can copy the text and paste there. So I'm going to do here, I'll just copy the whole thing. I think this will cover at least 500 words. So the maximum length of the article can be 512. So try to remember that. We'll place it here. Okay, close this. Now let's run this. Now, so this is the text we have. We have to do some pre-processing. Pre-process the input text. Now preprocessed text equals text dot strip. I think that will be enough. There is no new lines, right? So if there are any new lines means, so you have to try to replace it. So you can use this replace function. So \n, I'll just delete the new line. And after that we have to add a summarize at the start of the text. So in order to do the summarization, so I will call this as input text equals summarize colon plus preprocessed text. So we got the input text for the model. You can also say T5 input text to be clear. Let's run this. Now let's display the T5 input text. Now you can clearly see. Okay, we just left a space because there is space here, and we got the text. So let's run this again. Run this. Okay, we have got the text. Let's try to split and see the length. So length of the input text. So we have around 219 words in total. Maybe we will try to add more. So I will add here. I can add something more. So after this, I've added this. Let's run this and this again. Now we got around 400 words, so that's good. And we can also display the preprocessed text here just to get an idea. Now let's tokenize the text. So these are the basic pre-processing you will do for any kind of text projects. So that's how we are going to do. Tokenizer dot encode. Okay, it's not suggesting, but we have initialized it. Okay, I just initialized it the wrong manner. Let's run this again. Okay, now tokenizer dot encode the T5 input text. So T5 input text comma, so return tensors equals pt, that is PyTorch tensors, and after that dot to device. So device we have set it as CPU. So run this. Okay, token indices sequence length is longer than the specified maximum length for this model. Okay, I think we got around 562 tokens. The maximum length is 512 only. Running this sequence through the model will result in indexing errors. So if we have like this max length 512, let's run this again. Okay, this will just cut out the sentence after the max length. So this will be useful if you have a large article. Now finally we will get the summary results. So I will create a text, summarize. So here we are going to have a summary IDs equals model dot generate the tokenized text comma minimum length I will say 30, max length I can go up to 120. So this is like a minimum and a maximum length of the summary. And for other things I'll just leave it as it is. I'm going to use the default parameters. Summary equals tokenizer dot decode summary underscore IDs comma skip special tokens equals true. So now we will get the summary. So this will take some time. So it's generating our summary, and after that we will just print the result. So that is print summary. So here we are facing some error. Only one element tensor can be converted to Python scalars. Okay, and this is, we have to specify the index, that is 0. Run this. So we have got our result. Let's print this. So this is the result we are getting. Currently I can't see it. Let's remove this print. Run this. Okay, artificial intelligence is a task performed by a machine that would be previously been considered to require a human intelligence. Its definition under which modern AI powered systems such as virtual assistants would be characterized as having demonstrated narrow AI, the ability to generalize training when carried out a limited set of tasks such as speech recognition or computer vision. So from this bigger article, it just converted this all these paragraphs into like 3 small lines. So this is the summarized results we are having, And here also we can display the summary IDs of 0 to see what is inside it. So all of them is tensors. So here we are getting a list of tensors, and that is it. So this is how you can generate a summary. So this is like an abstractive summary. You can change the minimum length and maximum length if you want to have a different length of summary. And this is it, guys. So you can also go for some T5 base or T5 large model if you want to get some more good results. But that model is like a bigger size. It will take some time for generating the summary. And if you have a bigger article like more than 512 tokens, means we should split the articles in terms of chunks and get the summary for each of these chunks. Let's say for each 512 words we can get a summary of 50 words, and we will do it continuously for the whole document or the article. So that's how you can get the abstractive summary information here, because this is a deep learning module and we have only a limited size input, that is maximum length is 512. So that's it, guys. This is how you can generate a summary. You can try out different articles and see the results. You can also fine tune some parameters here. Based on the parameters, your results will vary. So try to read the documentation and get your own results. And that's it, guys. Hope you like this video. I will see you guys with a new project.